There was a time in my life when I used to wake up every single morning feeling heavy, not just physically, but emotionally. My stomach felt bloated, my face puffy, and my energy completely gone before the day even started. I used to tell myself, maybe it's just my metabolism slowing down. Or maybe, I'm just getting older. But deep down, I knew something wasn't right. One night, while I was scrolling through old family pictures, I remembered something my grandmother always said. If you give your body warmth before sleep, it will give you health when you wake. That line stayed with me. That very night, I went into the kitchen and made something warm, soothing, and natural, a simple bedtime drink using just 4 ingredients: ginger, lemon, mint, and honey. And what happened over the next 7 nights changed my relationship with my body completely. I wasn't dieting. I wasn't starving myself. I was simply nourishing my body the right way at the right time. This is that story. And in this episode, I'm going to share exactly what I did, why it works scientifically, and how just 1 cup before bed can help you burn fat naturally while you sleep. The science of nighttime fat burn. Let's start with a bit of science, but don't worry, when we sleep, our body goes into a powerful repair mode. Cells regenerate, hormones rebalance, and your metabolism quietly resets for the next day. This is also when fat burning naturally increases, but only if your body is relaxed, hydrated, and your digestion is working well. Here's what usually happens instead. We eat late, scroll our phones in bed, fall asleep stressed, and wake up tired. Our digestion slows down, the liver gets overloaded, and our body starts storing fat instead of burning it. Now, warm herbal drinks, especially those made with ingredients like ginger, lemon, mint, and honey, act as gentle metabolic stimulators. They support digestion, cleanse toxins from the liver, calm the mind, and prepare the body for deep, restorative sleep. And sleep, my friend, is when your body burns the most fat, not in the gym, not in the morning jog, but at night, when you're peacefully asleep and your body is healing. A 2018 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that ginger and citrus compounds can enhance fat oxidation, meaning they help the body convert stored fat into energy, even at rest. So, imagine giving your body all the tools it needs to do that every night just by sipping a warm, soothing drink. Day 1, the beginning of change. That first night, I stood in the kitchen with no big expectations, just a quiet hope. I grated a little piece of ginger, squeezed some lemon, plucked a few mint leaves, and stirred in a spoon of honey. The aroma filled the room warm, citrusy, and comforting. As I took the first sip, I could feel the warmth traveling down my throat, gently soothing the tension I didn't even realize I had. It wasn't just a drink, it felt like a small act of love toward my tired body. That night, I fell asleep more peacefully than usual. And when I woke up the next morning, I felt lighter. Not in weight, but in how my stomach felt. No pressure, no heaviness, just a calm, peaceful feeling from the inside. It was a small shift, but it made me smile. Because after so many restless nights, my body had finally begun to listen back. Day 2, the digestion shift. The second night, I made the same cup again, this time with more intention. I inhaled the steam slowly, like a ritual, and felt a wave of calm even before finishing the drink. That night, something changed. I didn't crave anything sweet after dinner. No late-night snacking, no mindless scrolling. My body just wanted rest. I slept soundly, and the next morning, I woke up fresh, without that foggy, heavy feeling. My stomach felt light, and my hunger felt balanced, not desperate. That's when I realized something deeper. This was not a quick-fix detox. This was my digestion healing, and digestion is where true fat loss begins. When your gut feels good, your whole body follows. Day 3, deep sleep arrives. By the third night, I had started to look forward to that little warm cup before bed. It wasn't just a drink anymore, it was my moment of silence. The day would end, I'd close my phone, and the scent of mint and lemon would fill my kitchen. That night, I fell asleep faster than I had in months. No tossing, no turning, just deep, effortless sleep. The next morning, I woke up early, naturally, with a gentle smile. No alarm, no rush, no fatigue. I looked in the mirror, and my face seemed calmer, softer, as if my body was thanking me for finally letting it rest. I realized how much sleep and digestion are connected. When your stomach is peaceful, your mind becomes peaceful too. Day 4, energy returns naturally. This was the day my body truly surprised me. I woke up before my alarm, alert, fresh, and completely awake. No grogginess, no craving for coffee. My energy lasted throughout the day. Even my thoughts felt sharper. I remember walking into the kitchen that morning and noticing how clear my skin looked, as if my body was slowly detoxifying itself from within. The mint and lemon were doing their quiet work, helping the liver cleanse, improving circulation, and supporting metabolism, all without any harsh effort or dieting. That day, I felt connected to my body again. Not fighting it. Not forcing it. Just moving with it. Day 5, the visible change. By day 5, I could see the difference. My clothes fit more comfortably, my stomach looked flatter, and that constant bloating that used to make me uncomfortable was simply gone. But it wasn't just about the mirror. It was about how I felt. I remember looking at myself that morning and thinking, this is not a miracle drink. This is my body finally doing what it's meant to do. The human body is so wise, it knows how to heal when we give it what it needs. Warmth, rest, and the right nutrients. This drink was helping my body reset, one gentle night at a time. Day 6, skin glows, mind calms. By the 6th night, the transformation was showing both outside and inside. My skin had a new glow, clean, fresh, and hydrated. My eyes looked clearer. Even my mood was softer. That night, while sipping my cup, I felt an overwhelming sense of calm. It was as if my body and mind were in perfect harmony. The mint and lemon were cleansing my liver. Ginger was reducing inflammation. And honey was helping me sleep deeper than ever. The next morning, I noticed something magical. I wasn't rushing through breakfast. I was enjoying it. That's what healing looks like. Not just physical change, but a complete emotional shift. Day 7, transformation complete. The 7th night arrived quietly. I made my drink, sat near the window, and took a slow breath. I realized this ritual had become more than a remedy, it was a connection to myself. Each night, I wasn't fighting with food, calories, or numbers. I was simply listening to my body's needs, giving it warmth, calm, and rest. When I woke up on that 7th morning, I felt new. My body felt lighter. My skin glowed. My energy was calm and steady. There was no tension, no guilt, no struggle, just peace. That week taught me one of the most beautiful lessons of my life. You don't need punishment to lose weight. You need kindness, patience, and consistency. One cup of warmth before sleep had reminded me that healing doesn't happen through control. It happens through care. It doesn't take perfection. It takes presence. And when you show up for your body, even in small, quiet ways, it will always show up for you in return. The natural bedtime recipe. So now, let's talk about the actual recipe. It's simple, soothing, and takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Ingredients, for 1 cup. Half an inch fresh ginger, grated 1/2 lemon, freshly squeezed 5 to 6 mint leaves, fresh or dried, 1 tsp raw honey, 1 cup hot water. Method. Boil 1 cup of water, add ginger and mint. Let it simmer for 3 minutes, strain the drink into a cup, allow it to cool slightly, you should be able to sip it comfortably, add lemon juice and honey. Stir well, sip it slowly, about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. It's warm, refreshing, and feels like a small act of self-care before bedtime. This isn't just a drink, it's a message to your body. You can rest now. I'm taking care of you. Benefits of each ingredient. Now that you know what this drink did for me, Let's take a closer look at why it works, how each natural ingredient plays its part inside your body. You don't need to memorize this, just listen and feel how perfectly nature designed these simple foods to support us. Ginger, the metabolism booster. Ginger is small but mighty. It contains a powerful compound called gingerol, and this little molecule does big things inside your body. When you drink ginger warm, it gently raises your body temperature. This process is called thermogenesis. It means your body starts burning calories just to maintain that warmth. It's like turning on your internal heater, not too strong, just enough to nudge your metabolism back to life. But ginger's magic doesn't stop there. It soothes your digestive tract, reduces inflammation, and keeps your gut moving. Think of it as a gentle housekeeper for your stomach, cleaning, warming, and preparing it for overnight repair. It also reduces the hormone leptin resistance, which is linked to stubborn fat and cravings. That's why when you include ginger, you feel full longer, eat better, and sleep easier. So, when you sip this drink at night, ginger is silently working, warming you from the inside, breaking down stored fat, and helping your body rest in balance. Lemon, the detox catalyst. Lemon is like the body's morning sunshine, even when you drink it at night. Its fresh acidity helps reset the internal chemistry that keeps you feeling heavy or sluggish. Inside your body, lemon supports one of your hardest working organs, the liver. And the liver, as we often forget, is actually your main fat-burning center. It converts toxins into waste and fat into fuel. Lemon's vitamin C and antioxidants gently flush out waste products, help the liver produce bile, and stimulate digestive enzymes. That's why you often feel cleaner, lighter, and even see brighter skin after a few days of use. It's not just about detoxing, it's about creating the right internal environment for healing. Lemon restores hydration, balances body pH, and even boosts collagen, giving your skin that natural glow that no cream can replace. Every squeeze of lemon in your drink is like telling your body, let's start fresh. Mint, the digestive relaxer. Ah, mint, the quiet comfort of this drink. Its cooling nature instantly soothes the digestive system, especially after a long, stressful day or a heavy dinner. When you inhale its aroma, it triggers relaxation signals in your brain. That's because of menthol, a natural compound that eases muscle tension and lowers stress levels. It's almost like nature's own bedtime aromatherapy, calming your body before you even finish your cup. Inside the stomach, mint improves bile flow, and bile is essential for digesting fats. It reduces gas, prevents bloating, and helps nutrients absorb better. That's why after a few nights of this drink, you feel not only light but also calm, because your digestion and your mind are deeply connected. When your gut relaxes, your brain relaxes too. Mint is the reminder that healing doesn't always need to be strong or spicy. Sometimes, it's the coolness of calm that creates balance. Honey, the sleep regulator. And finally, honey, the golden heart of this recipe. Honey is one of nature's most intelligent foods. It gives your body what it needs, exactly when it needs it, natural energy when you're awake, and gentle rest when you're asleep. When you drink this mix before bed, honey keeps your blood sugar steady throughout the night. That means no sudden hunger spikes or midnight cravings. Your brain stays calm, and your liver gets a steady flow of glucose, the fuel it needs to process and burn fat while you sleep. Honey also supports melatonin production, the hormone responsible for deep, restorative sleep. And remember, the deeper your sleep, the better your metabolism works. That's why you wake up refreshed, not drained. Raw, unprocessed honey also contains enzymes and trace minerals that boost immunity, soothe your throat, and keep your skin hydrated. It's nature's sweetest medicine, one that heals while it comforts. Each of these ingredients plays its own beautiful role, but together, they create harmony. They help your body detox, digest, rest, and rebuild. That's why this drink feels different, not like a supplement, but like a conversation with your body, saying, I'm listening. Let's heal together. Smart tips and precautions. Before you begin this nightly ritual, here are a few small but powerful things to remember, because small details make a big difference. Don't add sugar. Honey is enough, it balances sweetness and supports your hormones naturally. Drink it warm, not hot. Boiling water destroys honey's live enzymes. Warm water keeps them alive and effective. Wait 1 hour after dinner. This gives your body time to digest and prevents acid reflux. Be consistent. Natural remedies work best when you give them time. Try it nightly for at least 7 to 10 days before judging results. Use raw or organic honey, not the processed kind, which has lost its healing enzymes. If you're diabetic, allergic to mint, or have stomach ulcers, check with your doctor before starting, and most importantly, listen to your body. If it feels too strong, reduce the ginger. If you feel extra thirsty, add more water. This is not about perfection, it's about presence. Healing isn't a race, it's a rhythm. Each night you make this cup, you're telling your body, I'm here. I care. Let's rest and recover. That quiet intention alone begins the process of transformation. Before we end, I want you to remember something simple, something we often forget in the rush of modern life. Your body is not your enemy. It's your most loyal friend. It's been trying to protect you all along, even through exhaustion, even through weight gain, even through stress. Every ache, every craving, every tired morning, it's not punishment. It's communication. Your body is speaking to you, asking for care, not control. When you nourish it gently, it responds with strength. When you rest it deeply, it rewards you with energy. When you treat it with love instead of judgment, it heals. This drink is not about losing fat overnight. It's about reminding your body how to heal naturally again. Because real healing doesn't come from restriction, it comes from restoration. Each night, when you boil that water, when you smell that ginger, mint, and lemon, you're not just making tea. You're making peace. You're creating space for your body to repair, cleanse, and rest. So tonight, slow down. Turn off the noise. Take your cup, hold it with both hands, close your eyes, and breathe. Sip slowly. Let the warmth travel through your chest. Feel gratitude for your body, for everything it does quietly, every single day. And when you wake up tomorrow, don't be surprised if your body feels lighter, your mood calmer, and your reflection a little more alive. Because healing doesn't happen in a hurry. It happens in peace, and in one warm cup at a time. You've been listening to Home Cooking and Home Remedies, where nature heals, and love always begins in the kitchen.